Hey guys, Dirt Rust. I just got back from the flea market. Thought I'd show you what I got. So first of all, got a couple of these Martin wrenches here, angle wrenches. They're really thin here. These, if you look them up, brand new, they're over 20 bucks each. So I was glad to get those. I got this little Plumb wrench here. Got this. This is I didn't know what this was at first, but I was able to look it up and find out it looked like a little kid's gun or something like that, but it's for a saw blade would go in there. And here's the name on it. Coarsair USA. This looks neat. And I got, this is a Harley Davidson wrench right here, like a kit wrench. Pretty cool. And this is picked up because it looked weird and I wanted to know what it was. Banks Manufacturing Company. Ended up being a wrench for a paint gun. And I got this Stanley utility knife. Just looks cool. For $1. Let's see. Oh, I got this $2 for those. The Harley Davidson wrench was $1. This was in with some other rusty stuff I got. I'll show you later. And I think that was $1. That was $1. And this was in with the rusty stuff. I got all my rusty pieces for just $1. And this one says Samuel. It's a T-wrench. Samuel Harris, Chicago. And I already had this one, but I just threw it in here because I wanted to see if they were the same maker, but they weren't. This is a presto-lite. And then I got this, I don't know if this is considered a garden tool or if this is a pick for like mining and stuff. I don't know, but just does say wear safety goggles. I was thinking maybe this was vintage, but maybe it's just rusty. And I got these castors for, I don't know, maybe a piano or a table, or let's see, it does have some markings on the bottom somewhere here. I can't read it from here, but I forgot the name on there. But anyway, maybe you guys can read it from there. I don't know. But anyway, those are pretty cool. I got those were $3 for the 4 of them. And I got some more Mereceds kit tools here. And then I got some BMW kit tools over here. And then I got this little SK wrench there. And then I got this looks to be complete Mereceds toolkit. So I'm pretty happy with that. This wrench right here, just this wrench, I had one earlier and I sold it for $30 just by itself. So I bought this for $5, and maybe I'm gonna try to get. I'm thinking I'm gonna put it up for around $70 or something like that. Maybe more. I'm not sure yet. Yeah, and that is it, guys. Thank you for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.